Okay, so I'm back, and today I'm going to be doing the rocker cover gasket on the Corsa because we've got a little bit of a leak coming from there, so we're going to get that fixed today, and then we can get the ball rolling again to get this car finished off, get the wheels on it, and then get a new exhaust on it, and then we'll see where we go from there. So let's get straight into it and get this rocker cover gasket done. Alright, so as it's raining, what I've done, I've set the gazebo up, and I'll show you that now. And so I've got the rocker cover gasket here to go on. So what I'm going to do is go take the rocker cover off. Quite simple, a few bolts, and then clean up the surfaces, get this one put on, and then that should be jobs good. Right, so as you can see, this is the problem that we've got. All the oil just leaking out of here and just making a mess. So we'll get the rocker cover off. Right then, to get it off, you've got e-torques there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and I don't have an e-torque bit, but just a standard 8mm socket will work. I don't recommend it, but it will work, so that's what I'm going to do. Once you take the cover off here, there'll be another 4 that you need to get off as well. That's all the e-torques loosened off, and they hold themselves in so they don't come out, and there is one crafty little one behind here, so you just pull that up and then you can get to it. So now we'll take off the rocker cover. Right, so now that's off, we can see there's a lot of gunk everywhere. What I'm going to do is going to clean all of that off and then replace this, put it all back together, and it should be a lot nicer. So I've cleaned up all the surfaces with some alcohol as well as scraping it with the razor blade just to make sure it's all nice and clean. And now we'll get on to changing the actual gasket in the rocker cover head, and then we can put it all back together. Well, that's the old one off, and it was very stiff, and this is the new one, and it's nice and, you know, relaxed, and it's not sat. The old one was cracking as I was taking it off. So we'll get this on now, hopefully it sits a lot better and it's just going to be nicer and fix the issue. Alright, that's the new one on. It only goes one way because of the shape of it, and then these arches here. So we'll put that back on now and then put the bolts in, and then we're good to go. Right, now that's all back together. Everything's back on, all the bolts are in, cover's back on, coil pack's back in, all tightened down, oil cap's back on. So now what I'll do is I'll start it up just to see. If you've enjoyed the video, hit that like button and subscribe for future content.